Mike here.
Sticker here.
Yep. And we are in the Kruger
shaggy cedar bark here. So we started out down here. We are now there. Kind of hiked through this valley. Scenic it is. Beautiful day. There.
There you go.
You see that, guys? Cook that up and make some tea with it. All right. Well, it's a beautiful day, and told Terry, I said I'd help him try to get through to getting his first bow drill fire. So I'm going to harvest some dead standing here. I think we've got a piece of ash that actually should work pretty good as a spindle. So I'm just going to harvest that chunk here. Looks pretty solid. Looks good. Good core.
Yep.
All right. So one piece down. Now I just have to get the others. Terry's found himself a
Piece of basswood for a hearth board.
Yep. And we've already got something for our bowl. We've been hiking through the kind of the valley here, and there's a creek that normally runs through here, but at this time it is just sandy bottom, and I'm hoping later in the spring that there'll be some water running through here, but as of right now I don't have anything. I was down by the creek, came across this horsetail grass that had wintered over, and seems in pretty good shape, and that can be used as sandpaper, of all things. Anyway, Terry found that to be fairly interesting when I told him that it was a good thing to use in the kit. Alright, we're going to get on to some fire making. Hey guys, I'm just telling Terry that and we did this once before. It's called a shadow stick method for finding north and south. So I'm just going to put this stick in the ground like that, straight up and down, as close as I can get it. And I'm going to take this little peg and put that in the ground right here at the tip of the shadow. And now we're going to just wait until the sun has moved, and then we'll use it to find a line east to west that'll tell us which way is north and south. So, all right. Okay, Terry, where are we at here? Looks like...
Yeah, getting my spindle carved down.
Yep.
Just about there.
Looking real good. And I did one up here too in a piece of basswood we got, just as kind of another one to try. And we're just going to see what we can get out of it. We're going to go get Terry's chopper and split down this other piece of basswood for our hearth board here pretty soon, and then we'll be good to give it a try. As you can see, with the shadow stick method, the shadow has moved away from the peg by about 3 inches, and we'll continue to monitor that, and we'll come back to it when it's moved a little more. That'll work. Terry and I found this very natural split wood here. We're going to grab that so we don't have to work so hard. Alright, well, we got new toys here.
That's not a knife. This is a knife. Hasn't tasted wood yet.
Ontario buoy, about to taste wood. Oh yeah. That works good.
It better.
That was only 30 bucks?
Yep.
Wow, what a deal.
From another member on our forum.
Excellent. Well, thank you, BushcraftUSA, for
feeding my knife addiction.
Yes. Anyway, we're going to get on to it here. Hi guys, Mike back. Terry and I have been playing with the shadow stick method for telling north to south. And so earlier you saw I put in a straight stick and marked the tip of that shadow with a little peg in the ground. And now we've waited, I don't know, what's it been, an hour and a half or so?
Yeah. 2
hours. And so now the tip of the stick is way over here. So we're going to take another, the tip of the shadow, I should say, is way over here. And we can see where the tip is by touching it with my finger. So I'm going to put another stick in right there. And then we'll just take and pull a little slip knot and a piece of cordage. And I'm going to put that over this right here and run it over to this one. And now we've created a what should be a east to west line telling us which direction then is north to south. And if we take our compass and set it down here, you will notice that if I rotate this so that now this is the string represents solar north and or east to west and therefore north to south, but you can see that when you put the compass on there on the east-west line, it's pretty close to north to south. Magnetic north to south is about right there, so pretty amazing that you can get that close with the shadow stick method. And now we know the difference between magnetic north and solar north. Okay guys, that's our little experiment with finding north to south with the shadow stick method. Okay guys, we got Terry working on burning it into his board here. We've got a little bit of smoke and some dust. And I think we're going to have him stop and we'll get our notch made. Very good, Terry. Very good. Alright. So far so good. I'll show you guys, Terry's got his divot and he's got his notch made. And charge up the bowl with the spindle. Make sure you get this wrapped around here. Lock your wrist against your shin. Okay. That's a good sign. Seeing smoke. But just breathe. Yeah. And squeeze your string a little bit with your finger, tighten it up. Now, you got good smoke there. Now you want to go a little bit faster. You're getting a good pile there. Oh, that's smelling good. It's looking good. Looking good, Terry. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Okay, now try to just pour it on if you can. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Nope.
Got a good pile there. It started. Yeah, not the. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh,
Let's wrap it up. Well, Terry gave it a good try, and we're gonna twice, yep, and we're gonna do it again another time. His back's killing him, but we're gonna work on mechanics and a few other things. But he's getting closer, and we got a pretty good try here. A couple different spindles, got some good dust, but sometimes it doesn't happen. So we are going to make fire in another way. Probably flint and steel, huh, Terry?
it's like gasoline. Mike's going to show me how this is done. So he's putting in a new divot, getting ready to make fire.
Fire, yes.
He needs to wear his hair in braids so we can call him Cody.
Not quite.
Got smoke and wasabi. Didn't get it that time. Try this again. Running out of steam.
It's not going to happen for us.
Nope.
Okay. Well,
For the record, I knew that after my first 2 times.
I'll go away. Guys, we tried.
We gave her a shot.
Yeah.
We'll do it again another day.
Yep. So after some bow drill practice, I'm going to go to charred cloth, flint, and steel. Cedar bark we gathered earlier. Suppose we could probably get closer to the firelight here. Oh, there she's going.
I just heard hair singeing.
Ah, you got flame. Now we'll get this built up and we'll be all good to go. Yeah, we got a fire going here now. A little more wood to throw on, and then get some water boiled, right, Terry?
Yep.
And have a little pine needle tea, and we'll see what else we can get done. Ah, threw more wood on. We should probably throw this spindle on hardwood.
Just to prove that they can make fire.
Yes. What the heck? Well, it's all about the skills and practice. Huh? Fun doing it. I don't want this close. That's a good bolt. And we get some water going. Oil here, and we are going to throw in our tea. Yes, our pine needles. And set it to steep for a little bit, but I think I'm going to just need to heat it just a little bit more. And we'll take it off and fry it. Well, guys, here's where the lid comes in pretty handy for straining out. So, see the holes on the lid there? Help to strain out all the water and leave behind pine needles. And so now I have a cup of tea. Now it's hard to see, my cup is kind of green, so let me show you Terry's here in the light. A little bit of a green tint. Maybe you can't tell that, but
That's
anyway,
green.
Yeah, it's green. And it doesn't taste like water. So we're going to enjoy our tea. There. Hope this works. Terry and I are enjoying our tea, and I guess it tastes like pine needle tea. Yep. At least the last time I had pine needle tea, that's what it tasted like. We've had a pretty good day, though.
Yep, nice full day.
Oh man, wish you guys could have all been with us. We experimented with several different firecraft methods, starting fire. We spoke to some really nice people about bushcraft,
People that look just like us on the trail.
Yeah. One guy even had a barkie, a little tiny, short, new one. I have no idea what model it is. I have to look that one up. But he noticed my barkie on my hip right away, and so that was kind of nice. And I met a few nice dogs on the trail. Weather was great today. I just can't complain at all. No mosquitoes, so that was good. I think we have a really nice area here. Where we're at in the nature center area here is pretty wide open. Would be great for skills practice and meet up, and even having a few meals together. And places to park, and then you can hike out from here, and then just up the hill behind us is the campgrounds. So it's worked pretty good.
You got some nice spots up there.
Yeah, plenty of places to hang. Yeah, plenty of places to hang the hammocks and such. So you guys would really like it. Yeah, got in some bow drill practice, and I think we worked on a little natural cordage, or at least Terry got a chance to see that with a little basswood that I gathered. We played a little bit with some false tinder fungus, and
got the knives out.
Got the knives out, yes. Terry's big Ontario Bowie knife, and that was pretty cool. So I guess that's pretty much our report from here, and hopefully you guys will consider coming out for another trip with us sometime. I still think it would be great to have a day trip again with a large group. I mean, this has been a great 9 hours that we've spent out here, and had a really great time. The weather's been just beautiful. It's quiet. Some good wildlife. We didn't see any deer while we were around, but one guy in a camp near here did some turkey hunting, and got
a nice big tom.
Yeah, great big tom with a bow and arrow. That's interesting. Oh, whoa! Sorry about that. Anyway, we're going to be heading out here pretty soon. Get our fire out, get our camp put together, and call it a day from the Kruger Management Unit in the Richard J. Dorer State Forest here in southeast Minnesota. So anyway, catch you in a little bit. Okay, well, got it up. That was a good time.
Sun is still shining.
Yeah? Well, we'll get home at a reasonable hour. Not like we burned a whole weekend. Got a lot done. It's a pretty place. Well, guys, this is Sticker and Mike. Just wanting to say so long.
Join us.
Yeah, come join us. And especially you Minnesota guys. And hopefully we can get some kind of a meetup going on in the future here. And I think this is a good place to start. It's a good location. Not too far from Iowa, Wisconsin, the Twin Cities, and of course South Central Minnesota, where we're from. So we will look forward to hearing from some of you guys, and hope you enjoyed our day trip. Thanks, guys. Take care.
Yeah, boys.
Yep. See ya.